My dear, there's something I should have said to you many years ago. I owe you an apology, a big one. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
I sincerely apologize for the times I was too busy with work and left you to take care of the children by yourself.
We did what we had to do. That's what families do.
I deeply regret the times when I lost my temper and spoke harshly when you were already exhausted.
I remember. But I also remember the good days.
Please accept my apology for the years when my career didn't work out and you had to work so hard to support our family.
Those were hard years, but we made it through.
I'm truly sorry for that, for all the worries I caused you, and for the tears you wiped away when I didn't notice.
Some tears were sad, but many were happy too.
I should have said sorry sooner for the small mistakes in our everyday lives, for the times I didn't listen, for the times I forgot to say thank you. But through every joy and every storm, you stayed. You walked beside me through all these years, and my love, you have always been my home.
My dear, we were young, we were learning, life wasn't easy. But we built something together. When I look back, I don't see mistakes. I see our life and my love. I would live it all again with you.
English garden.